Hey guys, welcome back to my video. So today I am back with a Dixie plate, and it's this ugly sweater holiday party sweater weather plate. And on this one right here, I'm going to try to put some like gel on it and do some like sugar type sweater nails, which I've never done before. So I'm like, I don't know how it's going to turn out, but we'll see. Let's just get started. So the polish that I used on these tips here, I'm sorry if you can hear talking. My neighbor goes outside and talks so loud on his phone, like it is ridiculous. I think he needs to clean his loop. But anyway, so the colors I have on these tips here, this gold one here is Nicole by OPI, and it's called the Next CEO, and it's just like really pretty sparkly glittery polish. And then this blue, baby blue here, is just Eternal. They have sets of like colors on Amazon, or it was either Amazon or eBay. And these were all like the pastel ones, but this is the blue one from the set. Or, you know what, this might have just been all like the different colored blues. Then here is like the brown one, so that is this color right here. It's this really rich brown. And again, that was Eternal. And then these two are those Believe Beauties that I always say I get from Dollar General, that I wish they would get more of. And this was the green one. And I tried to make them more of like, I don't know, maybe not super Christmassy colors like the bright green. And I even did like, I thought this red was just a little bit darker. It wasn't that like cherry bright red, even though it looks kind of like it there. And this is what color? Rouge Veritable. And that's the red, and the green is Serene. So now that we got those colors down, I'm going to open up this plate here, which again is Sweater Weather-01 by Dixie Plates. And yeah, I'm just going to get started. So, I'll probably speed it up and put some music on so you guys can sit back, enjoy, and then when I am all done, I will be back, like always, to talk about the plate. So, let me get to it, and I still don't know what I did. Oh, here's my cotton claw. Oh no, that isn't my cotton claw. I seen the sparkly from my hair clip, and I thought it was my cotton claw. I still don't know what I set my cotton claw at. I think it's over here on my table. Well, I'll worry about that another time. Let me, here, you know what I'll do? I'll use my strawberry. I haven't used that one in a while. And my hair got on it, because this is one that just like, I've been laying around. I don't know. Okay, so let's just get started. Cleaned up my desk so it's nice and open and clean here, and it's been needing a good cleaning. So here we go. Let me get the stamping polish I'm going to use. Okay, and again, I will be back as soon as I am done with all this. So like I said, sit back, enjoy, and hopefully these sweater nails come out good. Okay, so I'm back, and I kind of am happy with my sweater weather, with my sugar sweater nail here I did. It's the first time I ever kind of like went over it with gel and sprinkled some like glitter sugar over it, and I really like it. It's so cute. Maybe if I would have did this like a white or like a pearlized white, it would just kind of look like this was like kind of got like just the sweater has a little bit of like texture to it. So I don't know, maybe next time, but I was kind of nervous because I'm like, mine's probably gonna come out all but no, it came out okay, so yay. But this was like a really easy just 1 2 3 nail art design. I did do a matte because I thought it would make like the letters and the like design pop a little more, bring out the like design. Actually, I didn't stamp this one online because I had paused it when I was curing the gel on this one. Forgot that I paused it and then stamped this one, but basically I just did black and stamped it right on. So yeah, everything was 1 2 3, and I think if I did these on my own nails, this would be like the thumbnail, just because your thumb is wide enough. I hate how I did my nails this week. I was so lazy. I didn't even file them super good. Like, yeah, I'm gonna have to redo them soon. But it would be wide enough to like have all the letters. Pretty much got all of them though, so not too bad. It just says ugly sweater holiday party. So that is how they came out. And it almost looks like it's going off to the side, but it's not. It's just all the stuff I got on there. And so I should really see if I could like kind of like chip some of this off. Sometimes I do. Let me see. I don't know. Sometimes I do it with my big like I have like some big clippers, and sometimes it just breaks off when I do it with my tweezers here like that. I don't know. But yeah, these came out really cute and they were super simple. So if you are not one to like want to do reverse stamping, then this plate is really good for Christmas, because really there's not much reverse stamping you could really do with it. The only thing I think you could do with like reverse stamping, and you could maybe put like a little stone in there, is really the only thing I think you could really do is maybe color these hearts in red. But this is just something, or you could color these in. I mean, you could color these in too. You could color whatever in there, but really that's not really, I don't think would be really, I don't know. I just wouldn't do it. So this ain't really one that's like, it's just a really simple, really simple, just nice, easy plate. So, like I said, if you're not into reverse stamping or you just want a quick mani, and actually this is so easy, so you guys should try that. So if you guys got some glitter or some like a holiday like sugar glitter, definitely all you do, I tried to get close to the sides as possibly, but I just took my little brush, dipped it in some gel. If you're using maybe a base coat, you could always just do one, cure it, and then brush it off and do the next one. I did do 2 coats, but yeah, I just used some of this sculpting gel from Aliexpress. What is this? The Fenshangmei? Shigami? I don't know. But it was just a cheap sculpting gel, and I have a habit of doing this, grinding my gel polish off. So if you see a few little black spots in there, yep, that's what it was from. So yeah, when I put it on and I see it, I usually just take a brush and take it off because I was too lazy to like pick it all out. I got most of it out, but I was like, it doesn't matter anyway. I'll just get it out when I do my nails if a little black spot gets on there. But yeah, these were the nails and I really like them, so I don't know, tell me what you think. Definitely we got to make this one, this accent nail here. But yeah, tell me what you think. Let me know, have you guys tried the sugar nails? Or like, not sugar nails, but like a sugar design, like sprinkling it over it. I think it's so cool. I love it. Definitely now want to try that more. As soon as I went to nail school back in 90, I think it was like 97. And we didn't have like all these like glitter acrylics. You know, we had basically clear, natural or neutral, like pink and white. And then there wasn't all these gels. There was silk wrap, fiberglass, and there was like a gel nails, but it's not like the gels today, like the poly gels and all that. They did have gels. It was just different. And not a whole bunch of people got gels. Some people did because it was much like, you know, it was the people who would do like silk wrap stuff because it was gentler on their nails, but everybody mostly did acrylic. Actually, back then, the foils had came out. Foils were out back then, and so were the only thing that had came out was color tips. First, the white color tips came out, which nobody uses, because you got to think when they grow out, it's a nice French manicure in the beginning, but when the tip grows out, that French manicure, I don't know, I never liked them. They were too thick, I think, those like white tips. And I thought they were so cool at first, because then they started coming out with the neon colors of them, but definitely not my thing. But yeah, that was out back then, but there wasn't too much like there is now. So like I'm doing things now, and even though I went to like, you know, cosmetology school, I didn't, there's so many things I'm learning over again myself, and we didn't have a teacher for the longest. Like everything I learned, I had to learn myself. We should have got our tuition back because like we had no teacher for the longest. And everything I did, I had to teach myself, even though I went to like cosmetology school. So basically, I am learning like so much just even now on my own. Like I just stuck a little piece of like glitter in the middle of that flower just to give it a little bling. But yeah, I'm learning so much, like polygels, and I have to teach all that to myself now because they don't have that in school. You know, like I didn't have that when I was in the school. So, like going over with the sugar and like encapsulation, we didn't do all that. So I am having so much fun now that I've like started doing it and went out of my like comfort zone. It's like stamping plates. We didn't have those either. Everything we did, we had to draw. So like I have so much fun with this stuff. I kind of wish they did back then. But yeah. Let me know what you guys think. Thank you guys for watching. Have a beautiful, blessed, and safe rest of your day. And I hope to see you guys come back soon. Bye.